Hi, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to D Don Kitchen. Guys, today D Don is back in the kitchen and she will be doing, guess what? Baking Bulla cake. Put your hand in the ear if you love Bulla cake like D Don. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi. If you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. For our Bulla cake, this is just all what we need for the Bulla cake. So this is 8 ounces of dark sugar. 8 ounces is equal to 1 cup. 3 cups of flour, but right now this is just 1 cup. I'm going to use 2 more cups with that. 2 tablespoons of melted butter or melted margarine. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you're wondering why the color look like this with the pink, it's because of the Himalayan salt from the mountain. You can use the sea salt, whatever salt you want to use. 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder. 1/2 teaspoon ground pimento. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. The nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm using the whole nutmeg. If you're using the whole nutmeg, remember you have to grate it. Or if you're using the ground nutmeg, just 1/4 teaspoon. I will be combining the water with the sugar to get a thick paste. So now it's looking like this. You get a thick syrup. So now you have wet sugar. Set this aside. You will need a rolling pin. Let's grate the nutmeg. Just enough to get like 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm using the all-purpose flour. You sieve all dry ingredients together. You see all these lumps? You don't want all of these in your baking. That's why it is really good for you to sieve so the pastry can be light, air pass through, and you're looking for any object inside. We're just going to combine it all together. You're going to set a little of the flour aside, just like this much. So you see the well in the center. Now you're gonna pour your thick syrup in. And the melted butter. Low speed. And you begin, because if you put it on a high speed, everything will be blowing up. So you just take your time and do what you're doing. So okay guys, it's looking like this. And you're just gonna knead the rest that is not incorporated. And you're gonna place it on the flour board. And we're gonna knead now. But you're not gonna knead too long. So I'm gonna knead it so it come together. And now with your rolling pin, you don't want to roll it too thin, just like 1/4 inch or even a little thicker. Just like that. So I'm going to use this to cut my bulla. You cut in circle. Just want to press down. I think I suppose you can get like 3 from this. A 1/4 inch thick. You don't need it thicker than that. So just place them right here. Okay, so this is the last little one. I just roll it just to get one. I don't want nothing to be wasted. So let me get my hair clean and I'll be back. So beautiful people, this is a Bulla cake. So now it's ready to bake. You have to leave some space so when they rise, for them to rise, you don't want to join them on each other. So we have one cake left back. I'm gonna put it on something else. So now beautiful people, please remember to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first to know. So you can put a little flour on top. And our Bulla cake is now ready to pop in the oven. And you put the cake in at 400 degrees with your oven preheated, and it will bake for 20-25 minutes. So, hey, beautiful people, look at this. Oh my. The Bulla cake is now baked and ready for eating. So, guys, please give it a try. You will love it. And don't be afraid to leave a comment. Tell me how you like your Bulla cake. I like my Bulla cake with avocado, pear, or cheese, and a glass of milk on the side. So tell me how you like your Bulla cake. And please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Guys, I love you all and thank you for tuning in to D Don Kitchen. One love. Peace.